Hi team, today's topic is 4 easy habits that make you more attractive instantly. I'm Mike Goldstein of Easy Dating Coach. At the top of this thing, what are we looking for? I want a woman who is happy, who is confident, who is independent. And I'm not alone. I've talked to 2,000 men, I've polled them, this is what we want. So now we're going to talk about how you can be this in 4 easy habits. All right, number 1 is pack your schedule with activity. When you are busy, you can be happy. Let me give you some examples. Setting up working out with a friend, setting up playing chess, picking up your groceries, going to get groceries, going to your favorite store for 1 or 2 items, working out daily, doing 10 minutes of meditation, having a weekend away, stretching, completing the big items at work, not doing the little ones that feel like you got something completed. I'm talking about finishing that big one where you go, yeah, I did it. All right, number 2 is making goals. A number of weeks ago, I was having terrible stomach pain that lasted for 2 weeks. And I was like, I can't do this anymore. I made a goal. I'm fixing my stomach. And every day I watched every single meal that had to be super clean. I Googled what's good for digestion, what's good for gut health, started eating that, and every meal was regimented. I'm feeling great now. I'm looking better, and I feel like $1,000,000. But when you're completing these goals, you feel awesome. Number 3 is having integrity. This is huge. As single people, when we're solely responsible for ourselves, sometimes we think we can get away with stuff. Sometimes we go into child mode because we don't have responsibility, so we act within that childlike behavior. Stop that nonsense. Have integrity. Do the right thing. If you're dating someone and you know they're not going to be your life partner, go tell them. Be a woman and tell them flat out. Also, integrity. If you're having a problem with a friend, a family member, have the conversation. So you're not avoiding conflict. You are in your integrity. You are saying your truth. It's going to be beautiful. All right, number 4 is listen to your body. If you're tired, go to sleep or take a nap, depending on what time of the day it is. If you're tired of working, take a break. If you need a walk, go walk. If you've been staring at Instagram and Facebook and then you realize it's not serving you, it's not making you feel better, take your phone, throw it across the room, or place it, and take an hour off. Take a day off of your phone. Do what feels good for you. Listen to your body. All right, team, those are your 4 habits to be more attractive. Let's reiterate them. Number 1, pack your schedule with activity. Number 2, make goals. 3, have integrity. And 4, listen to your body. Hope that was helpful. If so, smash the like button. I'm curious, if you made it this far, go in the comments. What is one of your habits that instantly make you feel confident and sexy and awesome? Let me know. I want to do those too. It sounds like I could get involved as well. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.